Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to participate in Coinbase's airdrops. Alright, so if you've been wondering how to participate in Coinbase's airdrop, this video is for you. It's gonna help you out. Gonna give you guys a couple of step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So we're not gonna waste any more time. It's gonna be a quick video. Let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the airdrops tab. And once you're there, you can browse the available airdrops that Coinbase has for you. And once you find the one you like, just choose that airdrop, and then you're going to complete the airdrop requirements. It could be to hold a specific cryptocurrency or whatever. Just complete the requirements, and then you're going to receive the airdrop rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to participate in Coinbase's airdrop. Pretty simple and straightforward. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.